Hi guys, in this lesson you will listen English conversation between two people. Introduce yourself in English and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Listen carefully. Hi. Hello. What is your name? My name is Mohit. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from France. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from? I'm from France. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work? I work at a school. I am a teacher. How many siblings do you have? I have two younger brothers and one elder sister. Great, I have just one younger brother. What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. What kind of movies do you like? I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies? I like hang out with friends and playing video games.